Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to add the image preview feature for the create post. So whenever we will select any image, it will be easy to view the final end of that image. Like if I will select any image right now like this, I am not able to view what image is actually selected. So what we will do in the index, post index, here we have the index. We are going to add a space to preview the image. So in the description, above the description, here is the description. Okay, above this we are going to add another field. We will add here the image img, here the source of that image, and here will be the style, width and height will be I think so it will be 200 pixel, and width will be 100 pixel is enough. Okay, and here we will place the ID, preview image. We will say it is the preview image feature. So whenever we will upload the image in the feature image ID, we will submit in the real time into this ID. So we will say preview image. Okay, so this is the ID. Okay, preview image, that's it. Okay, so what we will do, copy this, and before this what we will do, we need to write the common function here in the top of document ready. We will write that function. Okay, here we will write that function. So function read image, here is the image file or input. Okay, so what we will do, we will create a reader first. So we will say var reader is equal new file reader. So here is the reader. Now when reader on load, we will say reader on load is equal user function, e is the event, and here we will say we have preview image dot attribute, here we have source comma dot e dot target dot result, and that's it. It will automatically place there. Okay, right after this what we will do, we will reader dot read as data URL. So here is the input dot selected files, the first file which is selected, and that's it. Okay, now next what we will do, upon the feature image, when the feature image is changed, we will call a function, and in this function we will call this function. Okay, and here we will pass simply this, that's it. And now refresh the page. Go to the create. Okay, here you can see it is looking empty. So upload the image and it is available here. Okay, let's make it 400. Okay, yes, we need to make it 400. Width will be 400, and that's it. Now refresh once again and see the final result by uploading the image. So we have the preview feature in the create, and here how it's look like. So I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.